In this video, we will be discussing when to use capital letters. There are 3 main rules for using capital letters. Number 1, a capital letter always goes at the beginning of a sentence. Number 2, formal nouns. When you're saying the name of something, you will use a capital letter. And number 3 is for the word I. When using the word I, it should always be written as a capital. Let's start with rule number 1, the beginning of a sentence. No matter what word is used to start a sentence, it will always have a capital letter. Let's look at an example. He went to the store. The first word in this sentence is he. He needs to start with a capital letter. There we go. Now this sentence is correct. Let's try another example. Here's a new sentence. They are here. They is the first word of our sentence, so the T needs to be changed to a capital. There we go, that's better. Now this sentence is correct because it starts with a capital letter. Let's move on to rule number 2, formal nouns. We all know that nouns are a person, place, or a thing. But formal nouns are the specific names for a person, place, or thing. Let's take the word mountain. Mountain is a noun. But we can change that by giving that mountain a name. For instance, Mount Baldy. Mount Baldy is a specific mountain in California. So that means it needs a capital letter at the beginning of each word. Mount and Baldy. Let's try another one. How about the word soda? Soda is a noun. There are specific types of sodas that would become a formal noun. For instance, Pepsi. Pepsi is a specific type of soda with a formal name, so Pepsi would be capitalized. Another type of soda is Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper is a formal noun because it has a specific name. So both Dr. and Pepper would start with a capital letter. Another formal name for soda would be Sprite. This would also start with a capital letter. Let's move on to rule number 3, the word I. I is a word that is always capital, no matter if it's at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. Let's start with this sentence. I like candy. I would need to be capitalized because it's at the beginning of the sentence, but also because I is being used as its own word. Let's try another sentence. Bob and I want candy. In this sentence, Bob is the beginning of the sentence, so the B in Bob would need to be capital. Not only is that the first word of the sentence, but Bob is also a name. So there's 2 reasons that it needs to start with a capital letter. But wait, there's another letter that should be capitalized as well. That's right, it's the I. I should be capitalized when it's by itself as a word. So that I needs to be a capital letter. Bob and I want candy. Now, what if we gave that candy a specific name? How about the name Snickers? Snickers is a formal name for a candy bar because it's a specific type of candy bar. So in this sentence, Bob would need a capital letter, I needs to be a capital letter, and also the S in Snickers would also be a capital letter. Let's try another sentence. We went to the city. In this sentence, the first word is we. That means this W needs to be a capital letter. There we go. That makes this sentence correct. What if we change the beginning? Instead of saying we listed all the names. So then it would read, Sarah, John, and I went to the city. But instead of city, let's make it a specific city, like New York City. In this sentence, there are a lot more capital letters. The first word of the sentence is Sarah, so the S in Sarah would need to be capitalized. Plus, Sarah is a formal name, so it would need a capital letter anyways. The next word, John, is also a formal name, so that would need a capital J. Next we have and I. Well, I is always going to be capitalized when it's by itself as a word. So now we have Sarah, John, and I went to New York City. Well, that's a specific city. It's New York City. And every word in that name is going to need to be capitalized. So the N, the Y, and the C will all need to be capitalized. Wow, that was a lot of work. Let's put this whole sentence together. There we go. This sentence has 6 capital letters. Sarah, John, and I went to New York City. Let's review the 3 rules for using a capital letter. 1, at the beginning of the sentence. 2, for formal nouns. And 3, for the word I. Great job! Now you've mastered when to use capital letters.